Hey, it's Joel. Today we're going to learn how to series on how to install light switch. If you live in an older home, you may not have a light switch, or somebody may have taken it off, and I will show you how to put one on. What you will need are the light switch, and you will need screws to put them on with, and a knife. The first thing you will want to do is shut off the power. What you will do is take your light switch and put one screw in it and find the hole where the screw goes. Make sure it's level. And then you just do the rest of the screws. And then you do not want to, when you tighten them, just tighten them enough to give them in place, but if you tighten them too much, it will crack it. It should look like this when it's done, and you want to check your work to make sure.